Oh, wow. Technology. Welcome. Thanks to everybody that, you are here. I'm very proud about this, but I'm going to speak about new device, trends and challenges for mobile digital ID. I know that this is a strange topic, before to finish this conference. And of course, it's always hard to speak about this stuff, but let's try to do this. Okay, I will go in this way. We will see how, the growth of globally, the usage of mobile. We see how apply PKI security and mobility, and we'll see our idea regarding digital ID on mobile. So, just here you can see how many activities are performed on mobiles rather than PC. And we can see that the percentage of users on mobile are 50% now. Tablet around 10%, and the PC laptop 40%. The growth on mobile workforce, so it means in a work environment, is by 2020, it will be more or less 100 million. What are the concerns of mobile? Well, the concern of mobile are 72% of the people is afraid to lose data. Just 56% is afraid to that someone else come in the mobile and have access to systems. So also in a corporate company, sometimes someone can access to your system. 54% are, of course, download unsafe app that can hack what you have. And 44%, of course, are afraid about to be attacked and to have a malware on mobile. In few numbers, 1 in 5 has suffered a mobile security breach. Now, how I can make, do you agree with me that PKI security is the highest level of security in IT sector? But now, how we can address this PKI security to the mobile? Where can I store my digital identity and secret keys on mobile? There are 5 ways to do this. The first one is a native key store. Of course, there are some advantages or disadvantages. Key stores are certificate containers. It's easy and quick to deploy. The only way to enable native apps, for example, default mail client can have access to this store certificate. I thought that it was the timekeeper. Say already, man. Advantages, as I said, so quick and fast. But what are the disadvantages? That it's a security nightmare. All the application can have access to this certificate, to this secret certificate and to my digital identity. So I have to be afraid about this. So it's not secure. And additionally, there is no legal value. What I can do, another solution can be to store secure certificate inside a proprietary key store. Of course, we increased the security, but from the other side, there is no legal value, there is a cost of management, there is a cost of mixed solutions. hardware protected keys. A lot of mobiles actually has some protected area. Just an example, Apple Pay or Samsung Pay. You increase also here the security, of course. But what are the disadvantages? Not all the phones, the smartphone, has such kind of technology. Cost of management and also mixed solution. It's not open environment. There is not interoperability between these words. And of course, no legal value, again. Smart card. When I say smart card contactless, it means a solution that includes NFC technology. We started to hear about NFC technology long time ago. But who is using NFC technology? Someone of you? Because this technology, I won't say fail. Why? Of course, there is a security. It's a two-factor authentication. You can use it. There is a legal value because you use your ID cards with NFC. But this is the big disadvantages. Don't work on all the platform. For example, Apple don't use it. They never, you can see an iPhone with NFC technology. This is the real problem. So I won't say that this technology had this break just because iPhone, the latest version of iPhone, don't use NFC technology. Cloud secure element. This solution used to store in an HSM, hardened secure module, extremely secure, to store these private keys. So you can store your digital identity on the cloud. And you can have access to this certificate, unblock this certificate, through OTP or through authentication factors. Very good. Advantages: centralized management, server-to-server integration, has legal value, so you can use it. But still there are some disadvantages. It works only with online systems. It works mono-provider. There is no full interoperability between solutions. And there are some large number of digital identities. So what it means is that if I store a digital identity inside an HSM, and this HSM, this secure container, have a lot of digital identities, of course, I create a single point of failure. So the hacker can easily attack this HSM. Rather, they can think to attack. It's not easy like this, but rather than a single person or a single identity. How we can see, another solution to drive the PKI security on mobile. We thought about a security, for any mobile, so it means Samsung, Apple, LG, any systems, via Bluetooth. This is the only way to have something in your hands, working with both platforms, iOS and Android, having two authentication factors. So it's important also, this one, extremely high level of security, because this device can store internally your digital identity, your certificate, and you can download easily from any platform, Apple Store or Google Play, the software to authenticate, to sign, to have a secure access online. In fact, what you can have, and you can have your digital identity always available in your pocket. So it means that this is not exactly the token. It's this one. And I can bring always with me. And of course, what I can do is I can sign digitally, or I can authenticate in an easy way to the banks, just downloading the app and connect. Because the connection between this Apple and digital identity, it's made via Bluetooth. So I can use it, I can buy, for example, I can order a bottle of wine rather than water. I can buy something online with Amazon, for example, have access to my private emails or working emails as well. Always in a secure way, security. Sign electronic documents, yes. Because actually, in some countries, digital identity has been derived from this factor. I mean, flow management, invoicing, e-invoicing, the relation with the public administration has been reduced, and we are always more close to the public administration thanks to this digital signature. Because just sitting on the sofa, I can require a certificate coming, or I can sign any document. How can I do it? Just with the mobile, because my digital identity is stored here. So I can have access and I can sign it with legal value. Additional use case. I mean, just I put here 4, but I mean, there are many other cases. Logical and physical access. So you can save browser. You can have a strong authentication with the 2 authentication factor on internet. I can digitally sign. I can cipher also chat, emails, and secret data. Everybody of us has 3 lives. One is public, another one is private, the other one is secret. And so you can securitize your secret data. And of course, you can endpoint the mobile. I want to go with a video. So first of all, because I want to be shorter, and second, because I want to see the ladies coming. But I mean, I've seen also that they changed, I mean. Every day, everywhere you are, everywhere you go. Everybody claps the hands, yeah, we are finishing. Just around the corner, so just stop me and I will offer a coffee. Thank you to everybody.